Hello everyone, my name's Jamie. I am one of the resuscitation officers working at Medway Hospital, and in this video I'd like to show you the two types of defibrillator that we use in the trust. I'm going to start with the Philips Heart Start. This is an AED, and you'll find this defibrillator in the non-acute areas of the hospital. For example, outpatient areas and non-acute sort of general ward areas, whereby we can deliver a shock within an acceptable time frame and any more advanced equipment can be brought to the ward in the meantime. These are areas that have a low acuity and a lower number of cardiac arrests. So I'm just going to open it. So it's a grey Velcro tab at the front, and that will open the case and reveal the defibrillator. There's no need to take the defibrillator out of the case when you want to use it. And the benefit of these is that they are light and portable, so you can take it to the bedside or even on the bed of your patient to use it. And on the inside is where you'll find your defibrillator pads and your spare battery. These defibrillators need to be checked every day. They are self-testing, so it's a real simple check that we need to do every morning, and it's simply that the green light at the top is flashing continuously. You can see that this one is not, and you can hear that it's beeping regularly as well. So this indicates to me that this battery is flat or that there's an issue with this defibrillator. Flat batteries is one of the most common things that we have to deal with. Although the batteries will last us a long time, they will eventually, like everything, come to the end of their life and we will need to change them. In order to do that, you will need to remove the defibrillator from the case, and you'll see on the back that you've got your existing battery. If you pinch in the clips to remove it, and then simply clip in your new battery. If you do not have a new battery or a spare, then you need to contact the equipment services team and they can provide you with a new one. When we change a battery, or if we have any concerns about the defibrillator, then it's good practice to do a user test. Like I say, the defibs will self-test every 24 hours, and as long as we have a flashing green light at the top there, as you can see, this defib is ready for use. But like I say, if you've changed a battery, if you have doubts, then do a user test. This is real simple to do. In order to carry out your test, I want you to turn your defibrillator on as if you're going to use it. Once the defibrillator starts to talk to you and give you instructions as it normally would, I want you to press the on button again.
Apply pad.
This will then give you two options at the bottom of the screen, one that will say test. Push the soft test key at the bottom left-hand corner, and then the defib will talk you through what it wants you to do. So for example, now it's asking me to push the shock button. It's then asking me to push the left, centre and right, and so on. It will then take a few seconds just to go through the test. Defib is now ready for use. We can turn it off. Check that the green light is flashing intermittently, and then your defib's ready to go. So now I'd like to demonstrate this defibrillation in use. So my colleague Andrea has initiated chest compressions on this patient. I'm going to bring the defibrillator to the bedside. And one of the first things I'm going to do is turn it on, and then I follow the instructions. This is really important. This is an automated defibrillator, and therefore we have to follow the instructions exactly, otherwise the machine will fail to work.
Apply pads. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
So I'll follow the instructions. I'll start by applying the pads as per the picture. I don't stop Andrea's chest compressions, but I simply work around her to apply these.
Apply pads.
There's only one
Plug
way
in connector.
the connector will fit, so you cannot get that wrong.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Stay clear of
Okay, Andrea, stand clear, please. Everybody clear of the bed.
Stay clear of patient. Shock advised. Stay clear of patient. Deliver shock now.
One last check, everybody clear of the bed, oxygen
Press
away.
the flashing orange button now.
I'm shocking.
Shock delivered.
Please restart
Begin CPR.
CPR. This machine will then keep timing for us. You will see a green bar that will start to move across the top of the screen of the defibrillator. This is your 2-minute timings. So every 2 minutes the machine will stop and it will analyse the rhythm. It will advise a shock, as you've just seen, or it will advise no shock. In the instance of no shock, you continue CPR unless there's an obvious sign of life. So we keep the defibrillator on and the pads on all the time that we are running the cardiac arrest.